Beautiful. There's a skunk right there. Don't run over the skunk. Seriously, because your car smell. Good job. And then once you got off the curve, you'll be rolling at 75 miles an hour. Eat. Yes. Be a nice drive for you. Okay. Go eat. Get out there. Blinker, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Yes, ma'am. Eat and drive. Beautiful. Nice little merge. Mm-hmm. Great job. Keep it up. Good job. Make a lane change, please. Okay. Beautiful. Nice. And then once you see them in your mirror, please get back over. Thank you. Good. Get me back down to perfect. Go ahead and change the lanes. Nice job. Beautiful. Get us over one lane to the right. Keep driving. Eat.